Mr. Uno Sygneus, born in the southern Finnish interior city of Hämeenlinna in October 1810 and died in the Finnish capital Helsinki in January 1888, he lived there for 77 years, was a Finnish clergyman, educator and chief inspector of the country's school system. He is considered the father of the Finnish public school system, folk school system. His accomplishments also include the initiation of high-class teacher training, emphasizing the importance of women's education, and most notably, introducing the use of crafts as a mandatory subject in the school curriculum. He studied natural sciences and theology at the University of Turku and continued in Helsinki when the university moved over to Helsinki in 1827 or 1828. In 1837 he was ordained as a priest and started serving in Viipuri, Finnish Karelia, till 1839. Then he was sent off to serve for 5 years in the far-off Lutheran parish of New Archangel, Russian America, now Sitka in Alaska, as a punishment for an extramarital affair. In 1855 the Russian Senate was commissioned to advance the educational system in Finland after Tsar or Emperor Alexander II ascended the throne. Mr. Sygneus also sent a proposal which gained the Finnish government's support, and Sygneus was appointed to develop a folk school system. He traveled via Sweden and Denmark to the German states and to Switzerland to collect information about different educational systems. He was most influenced by the kindergartens in Hamburg, Germany, and the Swiss school system. The Finnish government or Senate approved his plan in 1861. The first folk schools were established in 1866 in Finnish cities. Students learned in the crafts lessons about metals, about fabrication techniques, about selecting appropriate wood samples from the forests, about the care necessary for working with materials, and finally the need for collaborative efforts to accomplish tasks. The influence of Sygneus reached Sweden, Finland's western neighbor, Britain, the United States, Japan, Brazil, Argentina, Cuba, and the Scandinavian countries, at least in the form of compulsory crafts, woodworking, and metalworking lessons at schools.